Okay na, game, game. Pre, yung bola nila Reynolds lang pabigay, baka maghalo. Reynolds, bola mo. Nandiyan na. Okay na. Si Aaron. Ayun ah. Yung naka-blue.
Iwan ko lang dito ah.
Okay, game ah. Okay, ulit na lang, ulit. Paulit na lang, kuya. Okay, no good. Rebound by George. Aaron, 2 points. 0-2. Abise. Okay, same ball. Kick ball. Cardinal. Mura lang.
Medyo ito eh, na-brace eh.
Wait, check ko lang.
Ako mahal na. Bakit na lang siya lang po eh, nakapag-ibig dapat sa kapag
Okay. Backcourt.
Gian, tulungan mo magkaroon ng video si ano, dahil na yun.
Sanay na ako dyan.
Gusto mo lang wala kasimple-simple ng tao ito.
Okay, good. Wala po tayong first ball, ha? Maalat, ha? Hindi kagaya kahapon. Okay, 3 points. Score 0-5.
Sige, nandun siya dila.
Oh, lalaro naman yun. Ewan ko kung dumating na.
Andiyan kanina eh.
Baka tulog.
Kasama niya yun, di ba?
Sino?
Yung apat yung kanina. Hindi.
Paalala ko walang first ball, ha? Oy, pangalawa na yan, ha? Okay, George. Pinasa kay number 1. Number 1, Blanca. Isa pa. 3 points. Score 0-8. Okay, 2 points. Score 2-8. Paalala ko, both teams may dalawang timeout, ha? Akala ko tatatlo. Aaron, easy 2. Para naglalakad lang sa park. Oy, sayang. Rebound by Cardinal. Wow, no good. Rebound by Abise. Okay, 2 points, 4-10. Wala pa sila, Marty. Hindi nakakapit. Okay. Wow, 3 points, number 1. Mainit ang team SPI. Nakakatatlong tres na. Abise, pull up. 2 points. 6-13. George, 3 points. Grabe, 4 na tres na. 6-16. Kailangan yung dumipensa sa perimeter. Team Solo Joiners. Abise. Pull up again. Wala na. Rebound by Aaron. Tatatlo ba? Oy! No good. Time remaining last 3 minutes. Okay, nice pass. Oy, malakas lang. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by Cardinal. Aaron. Ten seconds. Hoy, maalat. Good walang tawag. Good yan. Walang tumatawag. 2 minutes, 8 seconds. Aaron to George. George, no good. Oy, sayang. 2 points, Abise. 8-16. 1 minute, 40 seconds. Pre, pangalan? Ha? Parang hindi ka nakalista, pre. Hindi ka nakalista. Yun lang. Ang dami natin. Hindi ko nabasa. Shooting ka na ba? Baka malapit. Hindi ko nabasa. Naka-off ko yung data kanina eh. Warm up ka na. Tingnan mo sa last game. Tingnan natin. Nagulat ako eh. Ang dami na akong baboy. Okay, 2 points. 8-18, last 50 seconds. No good by Joaquin. Last 38 seconds. 2 points. Kala ko 2 points na. Ayaw ng libre ni Aaron. Number 12, Abise, pull up. Wala. Rebound by Cardinal. Last 24 seconds. Nice pass. Unselfish. Wala lang pero... Oy, 2 points. 14 seconds. Blanca. 2 points. 10-20. 6.9 seconds. One second. Okay. Change score. Score 10-20. Bola ng team solo joiners. 20-10. Nasa kayo, Marky. Labas lang muna po. Okay, game. 10 ang hinahabol ng team solo joiners. Kaya nila? Gakutan, pinasa kay Abise. Joaquin, no good. Rebound by George. Pinasa kay number 1. Number 1. Unselfish. Anlayo. Abise. 2 points. 20-12. Nice pass. 2 points, number 1. 22-12. 10 pa rin. 6 minutes, 15 seconds. Gakutan, no good. Rebound by Cardinal. No good. Grabe, ang lakas mo talaga. 2 points, Cardinal. 14-12. No good. 5 minutes, 50 seconds. Abise. Pinasa kay Gakutan. Nice. Maalat ang tira nila. Puro kapos. Nice pass. Yun lang. Kapos. Nahilo ata. Number 12. No good. Rebound by Abise. Abise, 2 points. 24-14. 5 minutes, 15 seconds. 18 to shoot. Cardinal, turnaround shot is good. 26-14. Nice D. Joaquin. Extra pass. Abise. 3 points. 26-17. Okay, 2 points. Robbery. 28-17. Gakutan. 2 points. Score 28-19. Siya, mapapababa pa man ang solo joy. Wow! Nag-Kyrie-move. 30-19. No good. Rebound by George. Points Abise. 30-21. Isa pa. Patay kayo. Sure ball na. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Cardinal. Oy. 3 minutes, 18 seconds. Number 0. Teardrop. No good. Talaga mahina ang pulso ng Team Solo Joiners. No good. Abise, no good. Rebound by Aaron. Hindi diretso ba? Pinasa kay Cardinal. Pull up. Wala. Rebound by number 12. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Walang makita. 10 seconds. 7 seconds. 4 seconds. May foul ba? Kung may foul na fresh 14. 2 minutes, 22 seconds. Number 1. Wala. Nakakuha pa rin. 10 seconds. 2 minutes, 2 seconds. 2 minutes, 2 seconds. No good by number 9. Sinet muna ni number 9. Pero tumira bigla. No good. 1 minute, 45 seconds. Kaya pang habulin. 2 points, number 0. 13-23. 1 minute, 37 seconds. Aaron. Naku. Sakto pala sa pasa. Abise. Pull up. Maala. Rebound by George. George to number 9. Number 9. Pumitik. Paso. 32-23. Teardrop is good. Last 56 seconds. Logo. Oy! Dadali ni number 9. Last 45 seconds. Okay, 2 points, number 12. 34-27. Last 37 seconds. Aaron, no good. 2 points, number 9, 36-27. Last 24 seconds. Saya. 15 seconds. Two points, Abise, 4 seconds. 3 seconds. Okay, Diego.